Thank you.
Magandang umaga, Ginoong Mark. Ako po si Shiny Magpilay mula sa Negros Occidental High School. Ang aking katanungan po ay, kanina na-mention niya na ipopost niyo sa Facebook ang iyong reaction tungkol sa sinabi ni Robert Padilla. Ang aking pong katanungan ay, ano ang iyong naging pangunahing reaksyon nang marinig ang mga balita na iyon?
As a psychologist, and as a mental health advocate for 10 years, I'm really offended of, siguro na-sad ko, no, not offended, but sad. I would like to correct that. Nasad ako with the reaction of the good senator because it's not actually technically correct. No? As what I have mentioned, depression or any mental health conditions, may biopsychosocial background, and it's not a sign of weakness. As what I have said, seeking professional help or expressing your feelings is actually an act of courage. Okay? It's an act of courage, and it's actually a good sign that that the youth today, the generation today, is very open, no, sa siningang mga development. So I'm very, very sad, and yun, please wait for my reaction. Sa Facebook page. Thank you po.
Okay, once again, we would like to remind the participants, no, one